Hey everybody, this is Tasha.
And I'm Joshua.
And this is Tasha and Josh Kitchen. So today we want to introduce to you a new traditional Mexican cookbook called The Food of Oaxaca by Chef Alejandro Ruiz, an influential gastronomist with a restaurant and hotel based in Oaxaca, Mexico.
This is a chili morita and tomatillo salsa. We're gonna pair it with some pork belly tacos.
It's gonna be delicious. So first he's gonna start with the salsa and then
Layer in
some cucumbers, some pico de gallo. Get a slice of avocado on there, our lettuce and garlic.
What?
For me? I got it that way.
What? Oh, don't make the taco come to you.
Oh, that's right. You gotta meet the taco.
That was good, bite.
It's so good. It's ridiculous. What's really unique about this salsa compared to a lot of salsas we've made, it is very, very simple. It's literally just 4 ingredients.
Not including the onion and cilantro.
Really beautifully simplistic. Anybody can make this. So this recipe can be found on page 81 of the cookbook, The Food of Oaxaca by Chef Alejandro Ruiz, available wherever books are sold. Be sure to pick up your copy, guys, because this is truly a lovely cookbook. It not only gives you beautiful recipes, but also gives you real insights into what traditional Mexican cooking is, and we're probably never going to stop making this salsa. I'm Tasha.
And I'm Joshua.
And this is Tasha and Josh Kitchen. See you next time.